What's up, y'all? Here you go. It's a new thing. It's a new groove. It's a new thing. Going like old school stuff. Let's just like back to Kumo days. Guess what, y'all? Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. And you don't stop. Getting down to the nitty. Come on, girls. Just get down to the nitty. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Here I go with a brand new flow. It's something I'm ready to show. It's freestyle from the top of the mind. Some say it's my tempo. I get down to the gritty when it's time to do it. I get down to the nitty go. Get down to the nitty, get down to the bitty when I'm knocking to the drop of the flow. You never heard no rhyme like this, cause this is back all brand new. Matter of fact, it's fresh from the top of my head and I'm breaking it all to you. It's old school to a little bit of new with the freestyle that I say. So come on everybody, just clap your hands and swing a little this way. Hey! Hey! Have some fun, let's do it now, let's have ourselves some ball. Get some cup, and drink some alcohol. Smoke some weed, smoke a bud, have a ball. It don't matter cause it's all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. We having fun yet? Bored as hell. Let's see if I get gangster. Getting gangster. Getting gangster. Getting gangster. Getting gangster. Getting gangster. Getting gangster. Get gangster. Get gangster. Get gangster. Get gangster. Fool, you trying to step to me? Talking all the shit? What? What? Get your shit split with a fat lip. What? What? Pistol whip, grab the grip, drop a couple off the clip. Hot boys on your back. That's some lead coming at you, fast and quick, boy. You shouldn't have been talking all that shit, boy. Now you know, don't fuck with Polo. Cause I'll be the one, be like that devil boy, come take your soul. I don't play no games, that's right, cause if I do, you'll guarantee that these fights that I play will take you out this world. Out this world. Gotta get in now. Get with it now. Get with it. Smack your ass, smack your head, and smack your lip. Wish you was dead, cause after I'm done with you, there won't be nothing left. Bloody nose and broken nose and bloody eyes and black and blue and crazy ass is crazy bee, cause I'm crazy as the crazy can do. That's right. Ain't got nothing better to do but come at you, smack you, snatch you, grab you, creak you, tweak you, sneak, crazy, talk this, lazy. Me? I ain't lazy. I just sit back and relax, fool. No need to rush or hush. No need that stuff. Go on, smoke some of this kush. Make you feel all mushy. Got y'all feeling all woozy. That's right. That's how it goes. Just messing around. There's more to this show. So step back, relax, and take yourself a chill pill. Cause sometimes I can rock this mic and get that shit off for real. But right now I'm just sitting back, thinking of some jams, and just kill some time and blow that mind. Cause I'm that crazy man. Crazy. Baby. Alright. But that's all, folks.